Every entry-level cybersecurity role gets hundreds of applicants, and all of them look same on the paper. Same courses, same certificates, nothing you can point at. It's not that you've not learned enough, it's just that none of it shows. You finish a course, feel good for a day, and then you open a job spec full of skills and tools that you've never seen before. So you find another course and another, hundreds of videos deep, and you still couldn't sit down and do the work. That's not you being slow, nobody's given you a plan. You're not short on effort, you're short on evidence. So, we built you somewhere to get it. We've helped over 50 people into cybersecurity role into load of different industries. So, we put all of it in one place. You pick the role you want and you get the step-by-step. The skills that actually matter, and our own notes from the people who have actually done the job. Hands-on labs, certs in the order you should actually take them, not in a way someone mentioned on LinkedIn. And if you ever get stuck, CyBuddy Pro has your back 24/7. Just type explain and it instantly tells you what it is, why it is used, the command, where you typically see it, and the meter technique it maps to. It's the kind of understanding that helps you stand out in the interviews, not just memorize the commands. CyBuddy Pro is packed with premium features including powerful AI agents. The SOC agent takes real detections and guides you through the investigation, showing you what to look for, how to think like an analyst, and the queries you actually use. On top of that, you get a fresh threat breakdown every week, so you're always learning from what's happening in the cybersecurity world. So by the time you finish a roadmap, you can actually do the job. Not talk about it, do it. You've broken down a real detection. You know why a scan gets flagged. And that's what goes on your CV. The CV build is free and members get AI on top. It reads it back like a hiring manager would. What's weak, what's missing, all before it hits a real desk. So, you're not sending the CV as everyone else. You're sending one with proof on it. Cyguides, the CV build is free. Go and use it today.